Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas! Ho, 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 ho! Ho, ho, ho! Ho, 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 ho!
Our first snow of 2020. It's kind of weird to say. We don't usually get snow in December. We usually get it in like January. Got the GoPro going up here. Let's see. Oh, I moved it. Oh, shoot. It's looking not bad so far. Let's go check out the other camera downstairs. This one takes a while to turn on, but the road's already all snow. How do you feel about the first snow of 2020?
Great.
Those are deer footprints. You see that?
Where?
Right there.
Yeah, something came walking across.
That's cool.
You probably got him.
Yeah, probably.
You would have had to have.
Dad, where are we going?
Play some football.
We're playing football while it's blizzarding out. I don't know if that's the right term, but got the GoPro, so get some footage. Ready, Dad?
Let's do it.
First snow of 2020. Oh my. So yeah, we waited till it was fully covered in snow. Careful. I can't walk in these shoes, bud. Oh, your carpet. Oh, your rug is messed up. First steps in snow in 2020. Oh, there's the deer tracks right there. So yeah, like I said, we have the GoPro.
For him! Oh! For him! Oh! Oh, not bad. Oh! 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 Oh!
Ready? Down.
Oh, I don't know if I can do this.
Hike! Nice.
Oh! I just tripped on the lights.
Got him!
Oh! Yeah, you got scared. It's a winter wonderland. What happened to the bit?
Meanwhile,
Oh no!
One-handed Odell Beckham.
That's it. Hi. That's it. Hi. Oh, that slipped. Oh, that slipped. Oh, that slipped. Carry the team to the W. Team to the W. Ah, I missed it. Yeah, dang it. Oh, they're stinging. Yeah. Ah! Ah!
There it is.
I can't run. We're walking to Disney World.
Later that same evening.
It's still snowing. Oh my! You're snowed up. Oh my!
You just shut the door.
Yeah. There's gonna be a big jumping pile tomorrow. Alright, the snow's starting to get hard. Oh, that's what we like. That's good jumping type.
What?
That's good jumping type.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Oh, dude, this looks like a cake. I could literally just take that and eat it. I'm not going to. Bro. Insane. In 3, 2, 1. Oh. Oh, my hand would have been frozen right now. Oh, there's ice underneath. This is the bird bath that we have. I'm gonna have to change hoodies. Look at that. Rock solid. There's a snowblower.
It's snowing.
Oh my. Oh my. Yeah. Oh my. 1,000,000 likes on this video. I'll jump in. I feel like the guy from Polar Express.